Here's the beautiful Linda Jensen on graduation day 2012.
Okay, so don't open your eyes yet. But these are from Holly and me and Daddy and Billy. Okay, open your eyes.
That was the hardest secret of my life.
I know! In person!
What do you guys are going to graduate, and then what are you going to do?
They're stunned.
Where are you going to go next week?
Have a psychotic episode. In person, live. Right in front of you.
Emily, tell us where you're going next week.
She can't speak.
Nobody can say it out loud.
She's going to. You guys.
Where are you going?
You can say it.
Where are you going?
One direction.
Which direction are you going? Woohoo! Okay, say bye to the camera.
Congratulations.
Bye-bye.
Emily still hasn't spoken.
Still like.